In this video, we discuss about what is machine learning and types of machine learning. Machines started to learn on their own, and this is where the machine learning comes into the picture. Machine learning is a subset of an artificial intelligence. It focuses mainly on designing systems such as systems that it make predictions on some experience, which is data in case of machines. Here we have three types of machine learnings mainly: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Here we discuss in detail about this. Supervised learning. This has, for every input it has class labels, that mean output. For every function of input x, there is an output y equal to f of x. Generally, in this, there are two types: regression and classification. There are regressions techniques like linear regression, polynomial regression, and classification techniques like decision tree and random forest classifier. And to improve accuracy, we use the ensemble classifiers like bagging, boosting, stacking. We discuss these in detail in the further classes. And second one is unsupervised learning. Here we have clustering, dimensionality reduction, and association rule mining. Clustering nothing but grouping the similar data points together. Clustering, the main goal is about the distance, finding the distance between the points. Here we have, in this clustering we have two things: k-means clustering and hierarchical clustering. The dimensionality reduction. Why should we do dimensionality reduction? Dimensionality reduction is simply means reducing the data vertically. It makes the computational cost less and visualization also very easy. Association rule mining learning nothing but it is a market based approach. It is also is unsupervised learning. In reinforcement learning, the agent interacts with the environment and identifies the possible actions he can perform. The primary goal of an agent in reinforcement learning is to perform actions by looking at the environment and gets maximum positive rewards. In reinforcement learning, the agent learns automatically using feedbacks without any labeled data, unlike supervised learning. Since there is no labeled data, so that agent is bound to learn by its experience only. Reinforcement learning is used to solve specific type of problems where decision making is sequential and the goal is long term, such as game playing, robotics, etc. In maze game, generally we see the newspapers corners. There may be a danger spot that may lead to loss. Negative rewards can be designed for such spot so that the agent do not visit this spot. Positive and negative rewards are simulated in reinforcement learning. Say plus 10 for positive reward and minus 10 for some danger or negative reward. Reinforcement learning is an example of semi-supervised learning technique and is used model sequential decision making process. The reinforcement learning mainly uses in general life with uncertainty where environment exists.